I first saw the graffiti on the subway wall as the train slowed, a grinning face, crudely painted, its eyes wide and hungry. The next night it was closer, smeared across a pillar, its mouth stretched wider. By the third night, it had shifted again, now on the inside of the train, grinning just above my seat. The air grew cold. No one else reacted. The lights flickered, and suddenly, the face was inches from mine, paint dripping like blood. I tried to scream, but the train doors sealed tight. When they finally opened, the car was empty, except for a new mural. My own terrified face, twisted in silent horror.